My name is Komal teacher. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying this season. What? अच्छा, आप ये सोच रहे हो कि टीचर ने क्या पहना है ना? Children, I will tell you what happened with me. मैं आपको बताती हूँ, ठीक है? मेरी छोटी सिस्टर एंड मेरे डैडी बैठे थे. We were having food. Then it was so sunny outside. So my daddy said, चलो मैं तुम लोग को कहीं घुमाने लेके जाता हूँ. तो हम बहुत खुश थे. We had our food जल्दी and we became ready. Then suddenly clouds became grey. It was not that cloud which it was when it was sunny. Change हो गया था पूरा. It was grey. Then started watering from the sky. Something was watering from the sky. My little sister said, Daddy, see, water is coming from the sky. Then my daddy explained my little sister that beta, it is not watering, it is raining. This is rainy season. My sister asked, what rainy season? Daddy explained her that this is rainy season. Rainy season starts from June and it continues till September or October. So June, July, August, September and sometimes even in October it rains. So my little sister asked my daddy, तो हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते रेन में? Daddy said, we will go out, but in one condition, you have to wear raincoat. My little sister said, why raincoat? Daddy ने कहा, raincoat आपको protect करेगा भीगने से. If you wear raincoat, you will not get wet. So I and my little sister wore this raincoat and we were ready. Then my daddy told my mama, bring me my umbrella. My little sister said to my daddy, why umbrella? Why are you not wearing raincoat? Then my daddy said, it is okay if we carry umbrella. Raincoat and umbrella are the things which protect us from rain. I don't have raincoat, so I will carry umbrella so that I get wet. So my sister said, okay daddy, you carry umbrella, I will wear raincoat. Then we were wearing our shoes. I was wearing my normal slippers. Then my mommy daddy said, no wearing normal shoes. You have to wear gumboots. My little sister asked, why gumboots? Why can't I wear my normal shoes or slippers? Mommy daddy बोले, अगर आपने स्लीपर्स पहना, आप स्लिप हो जाओगे, आप गिर जाओगे, आपको लग जाएगी. So in rainy season, you have to wear gumboots or rainy shoes which protects your leg and you do not slip. Okay children, if in rainy season you are going out, you have to wear raincoat or you can carry umbrella and you have to compulsory wear gumboots or rainy shoes. So children, I hope you understood that what all things you should wear when it is raining. Children, also remember that you have to cover your head nicely with this cap. Your hair and your head should not get wet. Yes children? So whenever you go out, wear raincoat with cap very nicely. Okay? Avoid not to go out when it's raining so heavily. And if you want to go out, you have to wear these things. Even you remember when the clouds become grey and if you hear the thundering sound, that means it is going to rain. So children, I hope you loved this rain wear story and enjoyed this video. See again and tell me how you loved it and tell me what you all things you have. Do you have raincoat? Do you have umbrella? Yes children, you watch this video and enjoy it. Till then, bye bye children. Have a good day.